My name is Michael Bartley. I work for the British Red Cross. I am a retail field manager in charge of 15 shops around the North East and Scotland.
I'm Beryl Wood. I'm in the People's Kitchen, which is an organisation which is set up basically for homeless people to come in and have a meal, watch the television, have a shower, have a chat.
The team we've got's fantastic. They're very passionate about the Red Cross, and that's what makes them. They do work hard. We work as a team. I'm just the leader of the team, that's all.
The main thing I like about the shop is the fact that every day is different. You don't have one day links into the next. It's all varied depending on the stock that you're dealing with, the people that you're dealing with. I love the fact that it's local based people who shop here. You get to see regulars, you get to chat with them, you help to source stock for people that they've been looking for a while. And there's a lot of really good people out there who are supporting charities and helping the British Red Cross in a big way.
I've been involved for 21 years. Seen a lot of changes because we only had the outside runs, which we used to carry boiling water and hot porridge and everything in cars. It was quite fun, really.
We're moving forward. We do try and compete with the private sector shops. That's who we look to, and that's who we want to be like.
We needed to bring the warehouse up to standard. NAC came in. We did have a small sort of food warehouse when they came in. And what they did, they turned the whole warehouse round and helped with a date check and everything, and to stack the trays. They've taken pictures, taken photographs of what it should look like.
The process was started. What we wanted to look at was cost reduction and carbon footprint. So we came upon the idea of, instead of putting bags through the doors and collecting them through the doors, which at the moment everyone knows, you get loads of bags, no one really bothers with them, it's very competitive, we don't get a big uptake on the collection. We'll go straight to the companies, and what we'll do is get a relationship with a company, and on 2-3 times a year, when people clear out the wardrobes, we'd advertise with the company. That morning, on a pre-arranged date, all the employees would bring in the stock that they've cleared from the house, and we'd have a van there and straight into the van. Also, we'd advertise the fact that how much money that stock has made for the Red Cross, so we'd get an ongoing relationship with each company.
Having a professional firm in, like them, has given me more confidence to go ahead and try and do what's best for the warehouse. So I've been very, very glad to have them in. They've helped in lots and lots of ways. They've got people from other companies to come and help us in the warehouse, which is what we've needed. Greggs is definitely the biggest organisation that supported us. We collect foodstuffs from them about 6 days out of 7. They come in every now and again to check what you do with their food, and they're quite happy about that. Health and hygiene from the Civic Centre says we probably may get 5 stars this year. We had 4 last year.
Well, the Carbon Footprint Initiative, if we are just going to one company to collect the bags, then that's only one journey there and back. Otherwise, they will be trawling around the streets, dropping off the bags, also trawling around the streets to collect the bags. So the cost of fuel, time would reduce the carbon footprint.
You need the up-to-date expertise of what's out there, and at my age I really don't know what's out there. I keep up with some technology, but not things like that, you know. But yes, I've been very pleased to have them in, and very pleased to have their help, and hopefully we will eventually get the warehouse, with their help, get the warehouse into a proper working operation, like a professional warehouse should be.
There's a lot more work. This was the first step. The next step is, what we want to do is, when we get enough stock, if we get enough companies involved and we're getting a lot of stock, is actually have a warehouse where we can sort the stock and then actually give the shops stock they need. All the shops have got EPOS tills, so we can monitor what type of stock is selling from that shop. So the shops will get what they need instead of just a bag of clothes. Obviously that would increase the sales, increase the efficiency of the shop, also reduce the carbon footprint, because if they're just getting bags of unknown stock, then the driver's got to go and take stuff away that they don't need and transfer it to other shops. So that's the future. We are a business and we're all very business minded, but having someone like NAC with all the ideas, they've worked with so many different companies, they've got so much knowledge and experience that there's things that you find out and you think, why didn't I think of that? Or how didn't we think of that? And no, they've been fantastic, really hands-on.